Welcome to Shibuya. It's very beautiful. It's very clean. It's very, very, very noisy here for the World Cup. Japan is very clean, always clean, forever clean. Look at this. Even though we have these new no drinking ordinances, they keep it beautiful, keep it very clean every day, every night. Number one. Pro food everywhere. Enjoy. My buddy, Count Dookie. We're looking at Dookie.